Welcome back to the Enterprise Network project. In part 5, we are going to configure the Inter-VLAN routing using switch virtual interface, okay, on the multi-layer switch. And also we are going to configure the IP address on the point-to-point links, okay, good. So that's what we are going to do in this video. And without wasting much time, let's get started. On the layer 3 switches, okay, in order for routing to happen on this switch, because this layer 3 switch is serving as a switch and also a router, okay, good. So in order for routing to take place on this router, we have to enable it, okay, good. So that's what we are going to do. So conft, and the command is IP routing, and then we do the same thing here, IP routing. Okay, so each VLAN gets an SVI, okay, a virtual interface on the switch, which is going to act as the default gateway for the devices in that VLAN. Okay, so I am going to write the command in the notepad and then I will copy and paste, okay, in order to save time, okay, because they are going to be the same on the two switches, okay, good. So it is going to be interface VLAN 10 IP address. Now for VLAN 10, the sales department, the IP assigned to this department is 192.168.10.0/25. Okay, that is the network address. That's the address for the VLAN 10, the sales department. Okay, so the default gateway, we are going to use the first IP in this address. Okay, so which is the 192.168.10.1/25. Okay, so in all the departments, the first IP address is going to be the default gateway. Good. So IP address 192.168.10.1, and then the subnet mask is going to be 255.255.255. Since it is /25, it is going to have 128. Okay, good. And then no no shut no shutdown no shutdown. Okay, good. So this is the virtual interface for VLAN 10. Okay, Control C, I will copy and then I will paste it here. Control V, and then this one will be VLAN 20, and then the IP address is going to be the network address is .128. Okay, so the IP address is the first IP there. Okay, so the IP address is going to be the first IP address in this network, okay, which is 129. Okay, and then it is still the subnet mask is still going to be 128. Okay, good. So let me check and see if there is no mistake. Yes, I think there's no mistake. So I will copy and then I will paste here. Okay, so conf t, and then I will paste. Good. So do right. Yeah. And then I'll paste it, the same thing here too. Paste. Okay, so do right. Good. Okay. Now we are done with the SVI, okay, the switch virtual interface. So let us check. So do show IP interface. Great. So now we are done with the SVI. We will go ahead and configure the IP for the point-to-point interface for this link, which is the for this link, which is the G101, and then the IP address for this point is going to be 192.168.30.109. Okay, yeah, because the address is 108, so one will be 109, and then one will be 1010. Okay, good. So let me come to interface this one, and then I'll do IP address 192.168.30.109, 255.255.255.252. Okay, yes, because it is /30 and subnet, it is going to have the 252. Okay, good. No shut. Okay, no shutdown. Good. And then the one, and then the G, this one is G01, then the G02 is going to have the 192. Yeah, I made a mistake here. It is 192, not 129. 192.168.30.101. Okay, here will be 101, here will be 102. Okay, good. So interface G1/0/2 IP address 192.168.30.101, 255.25, sorry, .255.255.252. No shut. Okay, so do right. Good. Okay, good. So now we will come to this point here. Okay. So if I hover on this interface, the S001, and then the SE001, it has clock at the beginning. Okay, so I will have to set the clock rate for this interface. Okay, good. So no S00, and so the clock rate. Okay, so clock rate 64,000. Okay, and then I will go to the other interface, and then 64,000. I'll do the same thing on this router. Okay, good. So now we have to set the IP address for the point-to-point link here, okay? And these addresses are public address, okay? Good. Since these core routers are connected to the ISP routers, they provide the public IP addresses, okay? Good. So SE00 and SE01. So let's, okay, good. So we are done with assigning the IP address for the interfaces. Okay, and also we've configured the SVI, the inter-VLAN routing, okay, on this layer 3. So, and also we've configured IP address for the point-to-point interface. Okay, so since we have already checked the IP addresses here, okay, the IP address, let us check for these routers here. So do show IP interface brief. Okay, good. So these are the IP addresses. Okay, for these gigabits. Okay, the ports connecting to the layer 3 switch. Yeah, this one. Okay, you can see they are all up. And then this one is the port connecting the serial interface, is the port connecting to the ISP router. Okay, good. Let's come to one of this one and check this one too. Do show IP interface brief. Yes, this one too we have assigned them. Okay, good. So that is all for this video. In our next video, we are going to do the DHCP and DNS server alongside configuring the switch port security. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.